Here we will see data frame in Pandas. The Pandas data frame is a structure that contains two-dimensional data and its corresponding labels. Data frame contains heterogeneous data. That is, we can store different data types content such as numerical, categorical, etc. in a data frame. A data frame size and its data are mutable. Data frame is like an Excel sheet which includes rows and columns, or it is like a table with rows and columns. In many cases, data frames are faster, easier to use and more powerful than tables or spreadsheets because they are an integral part of the Python and NumPy ecosystems. Data frames are widely used in data science, machine learning, scientific computing and many other data intensive fields. We can create a data frame in two ways. First, by creating an empty data frame, and second, by creating a data frame using inputs. We can create data frame using inputs with following ways, that is with dictionary, list, NumPy ND arrays and series. General syntax for creating a data frame is pandas.dataframe with parameters data, index, columns, dtypes and copy, where data takes various forms like ND array, series, map, list, dictionary, constant and another data frame. The default np.arrange index is used for a raw labels if no index is passed. Columns. The default syntax is np.arrange with n for the column labels. It shows only true if no index is passed. dtype is a data type for each column and copy command is used for copying the data. Default is false. Here we will see creating an empty data frame. We can easily create an empty data frame in Pandas which have no values. The syntax that is used for creating an empty data frame is DataFrame object equal to pandas.dataframe, which creates an empty data frame that has no values and default data type is float64. For example, here we have created a data frame. For this, first we will import the pandas as PD and we will assign df equal to pd.dataframe, which will create a data frame named df, and when we print df, it will print empty data frame with no columns, no index. Different advantages of using data frames in Pandas are: first is tabular data representation. Data frame organizes data in a tabular format similar to a spreadsheet or SQL table, enabling smooth visualization and evaluation. Heterogeneous data. Data frame contains columns with distinct information sorts, which makes it flexible for diverse dataset. Database-like operations. Data frame helps SQL-like operations consisting of merging, filtering, simplifying statistics manipulations. Next is flexibility. Data frame integrates with other Python libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, which improves its fact analysis and visualization abilities. Data cleaning. Data frame presents integrated features for handling lacking values, data normalization, and records pre-processing. Here we will create empty data frame. For this, first we will import pandas. So import pandas as PD. Then we will create empty data frame as df equal to pd.dataframe and we will print df. And when we execute this, it will create an empty data frame with no columns and no index values.